think we've seen enough. Carlos, would you buy this for $80,000?
I remember, but nothing really mattered as much.
House next to is decent. These are okay, kind of cute. Little park over here. This house, look at this thing. This thing may just be a teardown. Yo, I'm here. I guess we'll just hop the fence and go in the back.
That was what I was told, that the back was open.
Have you been in this thing?
No, I have not.
Oh, okay. You gotta come see what you're selling, my man.
I know. Like I said, I'm just doing a favor.
All right, I'll let you know in about 20 minutes. I'm about to walk it and check it out. If you don't hear from me, call the cops. I'll be dead. All right, thanks.
Oh gosh.
Look at this thing, Los. Is this one of the worst we've ever seen? Has to be. It has to be. What's your initial thoughts of this one?
Tiny and a lot of work.
Yep.
And it's hiding. I hate that shit.
I do. I hate it all. But here's the interesting thing. Get some cute houses right over here, and you have a nice sized lot. But let's walk it and see if there's anything we could save, or is this a complete teardown? Well, I don't even see a good foundation. Looks like shit. Let's go check it out. Back door is supposedly open. Squeeze through this.
Like this.
Like what? Are you gonna cut it? That's one way. I like how you operate. There's two schools of thoughts. The dumb and the smart. Look at this thing. It is teeny.
And the problem is that you got 7-foot ceilings.
Yeah, that's really bad. Yep. Okay, good point.
The drainage is
Horrible.
horrible.
Yeah.
You got dirt inside. Look at the panel.
Okay, and text when he leaves the keys and where.
It's adobe.
Okay. I'm looking at this house right now with Carlos and Luigi. It's not looking promising. I know, but the problem is this thing is, well, we're about to walk in. I'll call you back. I don't want to get shot. Let me pay attention.
Hello?
Talk to you in a bit. But, I mean, it's good for you, Luigi. How tall is that?
7'6".
7'6". Okay. Let's check out the rest. It's better on the inside than it was on the outside. Look at all these structural cracks. I mean, this thing is bad.
What's the value in these houses, in this area?
In the high twos.
High twos?
High twos.
You want to put like 150,000 on this one?
You think it's 150? Probably.
At least. So it needs AC, electrical,
But it's so
plumbing,
small. I know.
and then
Permits,
bunch of permits,
trusses.
holding costs.
Yeah. Yeah, this
Windows,
room, this
doors.
is teeny. This is horrible. You couldn't even put a ceiling fan in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you could tell there was cats in here. You could smell the cats, right? Living in here.
Cats,
What do you think was the
dogs,
issue
people.
here? We know it had a bad roof. You know it's been vacant, but I don't see signs of a fire or anything. I hate the low ceilings kills it, right? You walk in the house, this thing's teeny. And I'm 6'4".
I know.
You're 6'6". I mean, this is like, look at this here. This is
Look at it.
crazy. I mean, you're better off probably just demoing the house, right? Buying it for land value. Well, what are you saving here?
To be honest, nothing, because all the roof is a stick frame, so everything's structured here.
Where's the other bed? I'm not understanding where do you get three, you mean 3 rooms, not 3 bedrooms? This thing is terrible. What are you talking about? I mean, these rooms don't even make any sense.
I mean, nice master.
Huge. This could be yeah.
It's a huge master bathroom.
Look at this master bathroom. God damn. Unbelievable. I mean, look here, they cut all the electrical. There's no plumbing here. There's nothing.
This is supposed to be the door for the bedroom right here, look.
Yeah, that makes sense, I get it. Okay, so 1 bedroom, right?
And then
Right, and here's a closet.
Supposed to be the door right
This
there.
closes, right? That would make sense. So fine, reopen that up. You have a 2 bedroom. Then how does that bedroom go to this bathroom? You're walking through this bedroom to go to this bathroom. There's no access.
Nope.
By the way, this foundation, and look at one thing we didn't even talk about. I mean, this thing is just wanky. It's janky. Look at that.
I mean, that's the least worry. This is the one you need to worry about. This one.
All of it. Worry.
No, this one is the foundation crack.
Yeah,
See?
that's really bad. On paper, the numbers look good. You can't always buy a deal on paper. That's why people say, I'm a virtual buyer, I'm a virtual wholesaler. You're a virtual idiot. Most people on the numbers would have bought something like this until you show up. And then guess what? Taking it in the 2. Welcome to the not newest acquisition. I like to buy I'm always buying, but I'll tell you what, this one, it's a Pasadena. I think we've seen enough. Carlos, would you buy this for $80,000? I don't think I would.
Probably 40.
For 40? Yeah.
40 probably, and
Right.
then just scrape
No,
it.
40 we build a house.
Yes, sir.
Pleasantly surprised. This thing's got some good upside. Send me the contract. This thing's great.
Are you messing with me?
No, I'm a buyer. I'm buying it. Yeah, $40,000. Send it over. I'm a buyer. No, man, this thing is actually it's a demo. The guy who paid 80, honestly, I feel bad for him. He's about to lose all of his money or whatever he paid for it. He's gonna lose his shirt. This house is terrible.
Yeah,
all right, from
you're
electrical to plumbing to all of it, it's so bad, bro.
To everything in between.
Yeah.
Adobe.
I gave it a look, but that's why it didn't sell. It's problematic. Someone's gonna demo this house. No one's gonna salvage this. There's no way.
Right. Okay.
So-
Well, I appreciate the feedback.
Appreciate the opportunity. When he comes down to 40, 45, give me a call. Maybe build a duplex or something on here would be the move.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, because you had like some fourplexes.
It's quiet over
like
here.
650.
That'd be great. He should put a fourplex here. It'd be great. The house to the north of it's nice, and then some of these other homes are super cute, and the park over here. I buy this neighborhood, but this home is just seen its days. It's been ridden too hard. Been around the block one too many times.
Well, it's just been sitting, I guess, the seller isn't. All right, appreciate it.
Thank you, buddy. Have a great day.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, can't buy them all. Look at it, he's still absorbing this. There's no, I wouldn't buy it. I'd buy this for $40,000, and then we demo it and we build a dope fourplex or sixplex. That's it.
Yeah.
He wants
80 though.
110 is his bottom line. There's no way.
110?
Yeah.
Fuck no.
No, I know. Well, originally on paper, if these goes for the high twos, and I thought, okay, if we spend $100,000 here, but I thought it'd be better, there'd be something that's salvageable, but it's hard to tell from pictures what's the height of the front room, what's the foundation, what's going on with plumbing. Pictures don't do things justice, I don't know. It's terrible. The worst part about it is these people are suffering, these people are suffering. Everyone around here suffers from this shit. And then you got rodents and rats and all the shit that come from here and then disseminate to their properties. It's not right. Somebody's got to take care of this situation and stabilize it and rejuvenate it. It's bullshit.
Will you buy it? Nah.
So here's one that I'd rather buy this house 100 times over. Look at that house. Why it doesn't make sense is just too much. There's just certain elements that structurally are not salvageable, right? Like the trusses are jacked. No problem that needing new plumbing, electrical, and all that stuff. That's what we do day in and day out. But again, if the price is too high, it's not a buy. It has to make economic sense. We're not a not-for-profit. We want to enhance, the neighborhoods, make the homes great. We also need to make money, right? Otherwise, it's a losing proposition. Where would it make sense? It would make sense if I can buy that for land value. Maybe I demo that house and I keep the foundation possibly, or keep a wall so it becomes a remodel with an addition. But most likely I just still don't even like doing that. Foundation was terrible in itself. I really want to start with a clean slate and build a quality product with a solid foundation, of course. I don't believe in taking shortcuts. So if it saves me 10 or 15,000, but there's some unknowns with that slab, the grading was already off on there. So many different elements. I'd scrape that whole lot, clear it, and put the highest and best value on that property, which to me would be whatever the maximum density, which would be a threeplex or a triplex or a fourplex, or sixplex, whatever it would allow, and we build that single or two-story with parking and make it epic and enhance the neighborhood. That's what that property truly deserves, and that would be the highest and best use. But to pay $110,000 before permits, before starting demo, excavation, all that stuff, it's absurd. So the number on that's $45,000, $50,000 maybe, have a good day. As you saw, I propositioned the contractor, hey, you always ask, would you want to buy this with your money? If they would say immediately, yes, you got a good deal, because they know the cost of those numbers down to the penny. But you got to know it as an investor as well, of course, generally, how much can you build per square foot? I would say in that area, you could build 250 a foot all day long for some lower income stuff. So you reverse engineer. What are you purchasing? What can you exit? And can you make money in between? What's the cost of capital? What's the cost of improvements and everything else? So that's the deal.